Correct, Captain Thomas. Let's have a look at the standard. So we are talking about Warewasher Hot-Water Sanitizing. This is item section number 7.4.5.2.2 of the VSP 2025 Environmental Public Health Standards. Warewasher Hot-Water Sanitizing, item 24C, requires, and we have it listed here, a final sanitization temperature of 82 degrees Celsius, which is 180 Fahrenheit or equivalent. Corrective action log to include servicing the warewasher and verify sanitization with accurate temperature logs.
And from my experience, you can be sure the inspectors are going to look at the warewashing machines and checking those sanitization temperatures. So it's imperative that that machine get repaired as soon as possible.